Bro, let's be real, you don't need to spend $1 million on a Ferrari to have fun on the road. There is a special class of sports cars with a manual transmission and incredible styling that give you the exact same exciting feeling for a fraction of the price. They are like off-brand energy drinks, much cheaper, but they still give you a massive kick. Let's look at the best affordable performance cars, sorted straight from the most expensive down to the absolute cheapest. Let's kick things off with the Lotus Evora, which is the most expensive car on our list, but stands out as a true exotic. It features a mid-engine layout, placing the engine right behind your head, just like a real Lamborghini or McLaren. The cool secret is underneath the engine cover. It uses highly reliable 3.5 liter Toyota V6 engine. Lotus added a supercharger to the setup, making it push between 345 and 400 horsepower. Because it is lightweight,
Wait, baby!
and handles flawlessly around corners. It feels like precision racetrack tool. It is the ultimate modern day budget exotic, usually costing around $35,000 to $50,000. If you want a car that looks like straight from the James Bond movie, the Aston Martin DB7 is exactly what you need, coming in around $25,000 to $40,000. The DB7 is a classic British Grand Tourer with an incredibly elegant design. Early models used a supercharged 6-cylinder engine, but the legendary version to hunt for is the DB7 Vantage. This model features a massive 5.9 liter V12 engine making 420 horsepower. It is rear-wheel drive, makes a beautiful roaring sound, and offers high-end luxury for the price of a normal new hatchback. Next up is an Italian machine that gives you a genuine supercar engine on a massive budget. The Maserati Coupe typically costs between $15,000 and $20,000. Under the hood is a 4.2 liter naturally aspirated V8 engine that was actually developed by Ferrari. It sounds absolutely incredible. Pushes out 385 horsepower directly to the rear wheels. It was designed by the famous Ital design Giugiaro Studio, so it looks very sleek and premium. It definitely requires a lot of care and a strict maintenance, but it is the absolute cheapest way to own a roaring Italian V8. If you want something that looks like a multi-million-dollar concept vehicle that escaped directly onto the streets, check out the Alfa Romeo Brera. This car was built by Pininfarina, the same legendary design house that shipped classics for Ferrari. It is the only car on this list that features a front-wheel drive or an all-wheel drive setup, rather than pure rear-wheel drive. You can buy it with a 2.2 liter engine or a heavy-hitting 3.2 liter V6 engine that makes 260 horsepower. It is highly unique and costs roughly $9,000 to $16,000 today. Finally, we have the cheapest car on this list. The Toyota MR2 Spider can be found all day for just $5,000 to $9,000. It looks like a cheaper Porsche Boxster or something like that. People often look past it, but it uses the exact same mid-engine rear-wheel drive formula as an exotic Pagani. Because it weighs just over 2,100 pounds, it's 138 horsepower, and the 1.8 liter engine is quite fast, handling exactly like a street-legal go-kart. It gives you the raw analog open-top driving experience of a true exotic car, but with incredibly cheap Toyota maintenance costs. Yet, you can't expect for a $5,000 Toyota to drive like a supercar, just to be clear. And with that, we are at the end of this video. If you don't know, I'm trying to buy a damaged Porsche GT3 RS and rebuild it by myself. It is my absolute dream, so hit that subscribe and like button so it can happen one day. Because as the legend himself, David Late, said,
but if you take small steps every day, you keep doing them every day, and just don't stop, it will happen one day.